Hi everyone, this is Sama and today I will show you how you can animate your text on Contentdrips. So first of all, pick a template. A quick note, text animations won't work on your casual templates. So make sure you pick templates like other than this category. So I will go with this one, code template. And now if you click on text box, you will see animate button. So I will click on this thing and it will animate it for me. So another thing to note down is it will animate on only one text box. For example, you can either animate this or this one. I will choose this one. So I think it will look very cool. So let's try to export. You can export MP4 or GIF. Just click on export MP4. So make sure you don't close your tab while it's rendering, or like don't switch your tab as well, because it might affect the performance of the device, and it will take around like 30 to 40 seconds depending on the text. So I think it's done. Let's try it out. Here we go. It works. And also it will add a nice fade out effect as well. So yeah, this is it. Let me know if you got any other question and I will be happy to answer it.